monster.
What is it?
I don't know.
So, Fart Sparkle's out.
Yeah. Sparkle fart.
Go on then, undo it.
No.
What is it?
I don't know. It's the book.
Did the baby wrap up the grown-ups?
Yeah.
That sounds very naughty. I don't think Sparkle Fart's going to get any... He did. Sparkle Fart wrapped up all the grown-ups.
Yeah.
Do you think he's been doing something naughty all night? You wouldn't ever wrap Mummy and Daddy up in a box, would you?
No.
Promise?
Yeah. We don't have a box big enough.
I bet Foxy would. What you got in your cup? What's in your cup? What is it? Do you remember? Smoothie.
Movie.
Is it good, Ari? What's it got in it?
Carrots.
Yeah.
Carrot. No carrot.
Pineapple.
Banana.
No banana.
Banana.
It says it on the back. What's on it? Yeah, on the back, see? It's a little list. Tells you exactly what's in it.
Like I pick a hand.
Don't know. I'll have a look and tell you if you want.
Pencil.
Let me look. I'll tell you why. It says half a pressed apple, half a mashed banana, a dash of pressed pineapple, a dash of crushed pumpkin, a splash of pressed carrot, and no clouds.
No cloud.
No clouds.
What about
I
my
got coffee.
pencil?
I don't know. Read it. It's tiny writing, isn't it?
No, I can write it.
Ah, Gary, little shit. Here, this cat. Don't say that.
No.
Naughty boy, Gary. Gary's just relentless, just constantly jumping up onto the table, isn't he? Gary tried to eat your break.
No.
He does. He a naughty boy. I want it.
On my lap.
Yeah, later on they sit on your lap.
Don't worry, Foxy.
Don't worry, you Foxy. Are we going to build a shed today?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mummy and Foxy are going to try and build a shed.
Daddy bullshit.
Mummy build shed.
Mika bullshit.
Mika at school.
And trying to... And seeing if we can...
Morning. Let me just turn my new lights on in the kitchen. They're not on the wall yet, but we have light in the kitchen. I love it. Someone's about to jump up onto... Oh, it's Binksy, is it? I don't think so, mister. Binks is so needy today. Let me see if I can do it. Come here, Binksy. Come here. So needy. I literally walked in the room and he just threw himself. Come here. Bubba. Binksy cat. Jump. Come on. Binksy. Come on. He literally just climbs up me. He's got some issues. He's so needy. He just sits on my shoulder normally, but he wants to, for some reason, he wants to come and investigate up here. It is Thursday. I just had to report someone to the police. Binksy cat, there is a dad on the school run and he drives like an absolute fucking twat. Like, just unreal that you could do this outside of a school on a 20 road. It just blows my mind. And like, it's been happening all the time and so many of us have been like angry with him. And then I got his number plate today. And I've been trying to, but I kept forgetting it. But then today I got it. And so loads of us have reported him to the police and the school. Like, who fucking does it? Who drives like a dickhead anyway? But then to drive like a dickhead outside of a school, like, cunts. Let's do box of goth, number 9. Binks is literally... What are you doing? These cats have no boundaries. It's fully my fault. But let's open box of goth. Over there fucking shit up. Oh, it's a patch. We've got a box of goth patch. That is super cute. It's an iron-on patch for your jockout. Love it. Haven't had any breakfast yet. Binksy cat. What are you doing? Ben got the shed this morning. It's in the garden, it's in there. So when Foxy naps, I'm going to attempt to build it. I probably won't be able to, but I'm going to try. And then, Binksy cat! And then, yeah, that shed there has been demolished. We found out it's 40 years old and it's very old and rats keep getting in it. The plastic sheds, the rats won't be able to get in, hopefully. And say hello to the other kitty cats. Bandit, you baby. Hiya, guy. What are you doing? These two always snuggle together. These two came from the same house, different litters, but the same house. So they like to snuggle together. What are you doing, mister? What are you doing? Whoa. 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 You want snack? You want snack?
Sit up table.
Sit up table. What snack you want? I'm showing you what snack you want, mister.
Hungry.
Hungry and where?
Wow.
Wow, new lights. You like them? Bit bright. Where are you hungry?
Okay.
Go on then. What are you hungry for?
Hot Marshall.
You don't like raisins.
Hot Marshall.
Yeah, I know it's Marshall, but you don't like raisins. You're the only toddler in the world that doesn't like raisins.
That one.
No, that's Mika Ayers.
That one.
Yeah, you can have that one. You want some of these?
Bowl.
Get a bowl then.
No.
You want to take one?
That one.
You want little cookies? Yeah? Oh, to be a toddler, and this is your hardest decision of the day.
Sit in there.
Yeah?
Sit in there.
Okay, you put them in there. Shut drawer. Oh,
Bit back.
bit aggressive. He doesn't understand the lights, he's confused. They're not actually going to go here. They're going to go up. But for now, Ben hasn't attached them to the wall yet.
Open up there.
You want me to open them? Okay. Foxy man is asleep. Kate. I've just filmed a load of beauty boxes. Look, you're not helpful. Just filmed all of them, and there's a giveaway in there as well, so I'll link that. The cats literally just kept jumping all over me whilst I was trying to film. Bandit is so hungry. It's 20 to 12 and they normally have their lunch around about now, and I feel like he may explode if I don't feed him soon. So how hungry are you? So let's go see the chicken linders. Let's go see the chicken linders. Where are they? They're going to be so excited for their new house. Are you all in there? Hey, Pam Pam. What doing? Pam Pam, come here. Come on, Pam Pam. Come on. Here's my Pamela. Who laid me an eggie? Who laid me? Was it you, Karen? Is that your eggie? Is your Pam Pam eggie? Hi, Pam Pam. You coming to see me? Hello. Whose eggie is this? Is that your eggie, Karen? Did you do that, eggie? Don't peck it, you little shit. Don't peck it, Karen. You don't peck other people's eggs. I'll take that. Oh, someone's only just laid it. It's like a super, super warm, tiny egg. So this is a normal chicken medium egg. And this is our chicken's eggs. Teeny weeny. They're like half the size, but they're really yummy. But this one's literally just been laid because it is really, really warm. I can't decide whether or not I should attempt to build the shed or not. should probably try. I'm going to undo it and see what the instructions look like, and then we'll reassess, okay? All steamy. I've just unpacked the whole box. I've got all the sides down there, and then the base, some tall bits, another tall bit, some more tall bits, and then a long bit. And then I've got all the fittings there. The box was completely and utterly soaked through, like this was in the box. It had like plastic around, and then it had a cardboard box, and it was like this. So yeah, this is annoying because it's all wet. Construct a wood or concrete base for a foundation. We've already got a concrete base, thank you very much. Wall parts. What do I need? I don't have a ladder. I do, but I can't carry it, it's too big. Oh my god, told you everything you need to have. Choose the location of the window. Put the floor together. I think I might leave this for Ben. Or I'll help Ben do it tonight. I feel like trying to do it on my own now would probably be a bit silly. And Fox is going to get up in like 20 minutes. And then he'll want to help. And that is not going to be fun for anyone. So I'm going to put this in the airing cupboard to dry. And hopefully he'll be okay to use later. So yeah, I just made myself a sauce. All it needs is sriracha. Oh my god, it looks so freaking good. Look at this. Look at this. It looks really hot. It's not going to be really hot. It'll be fine. I love like spicy peanut sauce, but it's so many calories. I'm not trying to be good. I'm not trying to be good. I'm trying to be in control of my eating, not to be good, because no food is good, no food is bad. So I'm using this PB Fit, but it's smooth and I like crunchy, which is why I've just got like 5 grams of dry roasted peanuts, crushed them up, and then put them in my sauce. But it's PB Fit, soy sauce, teeny drizzle, like 1 gram, 2 ml of sesame oil just for flavour, sweet chilli sauce, and then sriracha. Delicious. I just had my pitta and it was yummy. I just thought I'd see if I can get Gary to do what he's been doing. I've just brushed him with this brush and he's been laying here literally just chewing my arm. You comfy, Gary? Bandit? You comfy boy? You're just going to clean yourself. I've got like a little brush because he's fluffy, so we have to groom him. And they all love it. They all like line up to have it done. So he's been letting me do this to get rid of some of his fluffs. But while I'm doing it, he's just chewing. Okay. You biting my arm? You're just biting my arm, aren't you? Are you doing that? Oh, he's literally just climbed up. Just wants me to carry him around. But then he's just hanging and biting my arm. What are you doing, you silly boy? You just had all your fur brushed, didn't you? You look like a fancy pants boy now. Who's that boy? I filmed barely anything today, but I've been really busy. This afternoon the girls had to go to Rainbow, so I took them to Rainbows and came home and then went to pick them up again, and then did everyone's tea, and then I went to Asda and did a really big like last minute Christmas present shops kind of things, like just getting little bits for like the kids' friends and the kids' teachers. I got their presents, and I've got them like a little bath soak each. And then I got like the mixed cocktails and put 2 cans of cocktails in and a bag of 12 bites. Binksy is just jumping up onto the cooker all the time. He's been a knobhead. Ben is outside building the shed, so let's go and have a look and see what he's doing. I don't know how much you'll be able to see. All right, Bender. What doing? What doing?
Scaring you.
I'm terrified. Can you point your torch into the shed so we can see, please? Wow. Can I stand in it? Oh, sheddy. No roof. Is it easy to do? It's bedtime. It's actually 8:57, so it is quite late. I went to Asda. Look at this diary I got myself for next year. It's beautiful. So pretty. So pretty. Pretty. 4 quid. Ben is still outside building a shed. Foxy is asleep, but he will, as soon as I sit down and press play on Grim and get my first snack to my face hole, he'll wake up. Yeah. The girls had their last rainbows tonight for the year, and they got their they got a little badge, Girl Guide in Norfolk County 2021, which is cute, the little penguin. Ben's mum's coming tomorrow. I've got so much editing to do. I want to move everything into the caravan. And when Ben's mum's here, I can actually get stuff done. So that is the plan for tomorrow. I will see you then. Love you, bye.